Welcome back everyone, and congratulations for making it this far. In this section we are going to be looking at the design element of your bespoke data visualizations. Hopefully if you've made it this far you would have a good grasp of the core techniques required to build bespoke data visualizations. However, in this section we will talk about finding inspiration, distilling that inspiration, sketching it down, and designing your bespoke data visualizations, after which you can implement in Tableau. So, we will cover finding inspiration. The data analytics field and space right now, especially for data visualization, is exploding. There's inspiration everywhere, and with most things that are exploding, it's quite hard to actually find a good place to start. So, in finding inspiration, we will highlight, or I will highlight to you, my key sources for inspiration. Where do I go? And more importantly, how do I keep up to date and how do I ensure that I'm continually inspired? Distilling inspiration. This is a key concept, and that is inspiration can come from anywhere. It does not need to be a visualization that you see and want to replicate. It can be a park bench, a child's swing, an aeroplane. You could see innate objects and actually find inspiration from them, and you could distill it and then create your own unique bespoke data visualizations from them. And what we will go through is the technique from looking at items, looking at images, and go through my process for distilling inspiration. Lastly, we will sketch our designs out. I would walk through a simple process that I use from going from basics all the way to a complete design. And through sketching, you could also identify variations. So you've found your inspiration, you've distilled it to its essence, and now you're creating variations. You're designing what can be done. And this is my process right now. I find, I distill, I sketch, and after which I can implement it within Tableau or any other technology for that matter. Because the key is design should be technology agnostic, and that's the way I want you to approach this section. Have an open mind, do not be bound by the limitations or perceived limitations of Tableau. Really go for it, find inspiration and let inspiration hit you. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video where we will explore some of my sources of inspiration.